Hey, in this video, I will show you how to zoom in and out in Deep.io to change your perception and your perspective of the game. It will influence your gameplay. So, you just move your fingers together on your trackpad or mouse, scroll in possibly to zoom in like this, and that will make things change your perception a little bit. But the better way to do it is to zoom in and out with a key on your keyboard, like pressing Command plus or Command minus on the Mac will zoom me in a set amount, and then I can zoom in even further. And I can just like press the keyboard. That's an interesting way to zoom in and out. But by zooming out, if I press Command minus a bunch, I can zoom out and see almost the whole map, which is kind of interesting. This works differently on different computers, and it might take a little bit of playing around with to get used to. It's not the best to be able to see this much of the map because barely anything loads in and it just gets all a little bit confusing, but that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you zoom in and out. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. I hope this was helpful. Like and subscribe if it was.